Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out the NPET N111 large gaming mouse pad here. It's a pretty sweet. Mouse pads are super helpful for comfort, and they look pretty cool as well. Whoa, this is 35 by 17. And it's pretty nice there. Really neat color. Adds some comfort here to the old platform here. Nice smooth area for your mouse to go onto. Looks really cool as well. I just got my regular, just kind of a plain white table here. So this is nice and adds a nice effect to it. It's got this non-slip stuff on the bottom, kind of a rubber coating, so your mouse pad's not going to move around. And they come in a few different designs as well. We got nice smooth stitching around the edges too. So just kind of, I really like the way this looks here. This design on here is really kind of cool. And smooth for the mouse as well. So if you just have a normal desktop, these can get cold, like this tabletop gets cold and stuff. That's not going to happen with this fabric, and it should be easy to wipe off and keep clean, and just looks really nice on there. Nice addition to the gaming place. Keeps your keyboards from moving around too much also, and a little extra padding for your wrists as well if you're just using your keyboard off of this. So pretty nice, very large size. I like that. Takes up pretty much the whole desk if you were to throw that on there. Plenty of room for your mouse to move around as well. I remember before, mouse pads used to be like pretty small, so you just be over here. But now they're making them larger, and I really like it. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it was helpful. You guys have a wonderful day out there, and I'll see you all next time. Plus, it matches my helmet in the background there with the color, so I think it's cool. Thanks for watching.